beef shanks with oyster sauce. Oh, this is so good. You guys are gonna love this. It's gonna need a lot of mashed potatoes, or at least with me, I had 2 cups of rice just for this. It's so good and tasteful. Yep. So let's start. Here we have 2 beef shanks. We're gonna start with that. We're gonna use the hot sauce as binder. You can use olive oil if you don't like it that spicy, but the hot sauce, I realized it makes good for a good crust. So we're gonna use hot sauce as binder here. Yep. Get some there evenly. You can spread it out with your hands, but once you touch your eyes, it's gonna hurt. So you're gonna use a brush because I did it before with my hands, and then later on I poked my eye. It hurt so bad. So here we are. Now we do the other side. We flip this over. Yep. And this one too. So the hot sauce will be the actual main binder for the salt and pepper. So it's gonna be so good. So when we sear it later, it's gonna give a good crust. All right. Yep. There you go. Next up. Yep. You know it is the crushed black pepper. All right. We crush this up. We grinder it. We grind it on the bottle itself. Okay. There you go. Yep. Grind some more for the next one. Yeah. Okay. All right. Next up is salt. Yeah, just a thin coat on on the surface. This way, when you sear it, it's gonna be so good. Yes. We do the exact same thing on the other side. There you go. Now it's all ready. Now we're gonna let this sit in the refrigerator for a while. Here's the sun-dried tomatoes. We're gonna pin that in the comment below once we're done with the video. So it's a homemade sun-dried tomatoes. So it's gonna be so good. Don't worry, we're gonna pin it out. Pin the link of the video in the comment below once it's all good and done. Okay, now we put the beef shanks on a Ziploc so it's all sealed up. Having my maid help me with this. There you go. Now we fold it up. We refrigerate it at least 3 hours. It's around 2:30 p.m. right now, and here it is now. It's 8 p.m. at night, so that's basically 5 hours and a half. So that's so good. Right? We heat up the pan with oil. Yeah, there. Okay. Now it's working. Once it's hot, we see. Oh, sorry about that. We sear the beef shanks on both sides. It's so good. So we get the juices and the tenderness sealed inside. It's all seared good. Yep. We sear this on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can sear it longer if you'd like, so you have a thicker crust, but 2 to 3 minutes perfect for us. Here, after 2 minutes, just flip this. Oh, it's too late. Oh, there you go. Oh, yeah. See that crust? Oh, that's so good. Oh, sorry. It's too heavy. Yeah, come on. Oh, there you go. Okay. Oh, the crust. So another 2 minutes here. Okay, now here's all good. So now we set this aside. Oh, there you go. Yes. Okay. Give it one more. Yeah. Subscribe. This way you're gonna check out all the other videos. Hit the like button. It helps the channel so much. Thank you. So now we go with the onions on the same pan. The same oil, everything, so it's gonna be so tasty. Alright. Make sure the onions are like glazed up good. So it's like, when it starts to get translucent, it's ready. Oh wait, I forgot to cut the other onions. So wait, let me cut the other one. Here it is. So there's about 2 small onions cut up or diced up. So you can saute this good. Yes. Let's keep mixing it. Yep. Right. Now about 3 cloves of crushed garlic. You can use 3 to 4 cloves of crushed garlic. That's good. This is about 3 cloves. Makes it good. Saute it so once it starts to get translucent and the onions a bit or the garlic a bit brown, it's gonna be good and ready. Yep. Now here it is. Because me and my brother like it spicy, I decided to cut up 1 chili. I mean, it won't be that spicy. It'll just give a bit of a kick. So makes it good. Yep. Alright, and at this point we add the carrots because it takes a while to soften this. The potatoes are faster, so we put the potatoes later. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so good. Yep, let it simmer for a bit, let it sit there. Okay, now it's ready. We lower the heat because it's browning up a little faster than expected, so this is good. Okay, now time for the beef shanks to go back to its actual, predestined home. Yeah. There you go. Okay. Now we put some oyster sauce. Lately is good here. So we put about 4 spoons of oyster sauce. So we use about 2 small sachets of oyster sauce. That's equivalent to 4 spoons of oyster sauce. We put it on the spaces here. Don't worry about mixing it, as when it simmers, it'll mix really good. Okay, now and about 4 spoons of soy sauce. There you go. Yes, for the sauce, you can use 2 cups of chicken stock. We're using this leftover gravy, so it's gonna just help thicken up the sauce. But you can use 2 cups of chicken stock with dissolving 1 teaspoon of cornstarch to help thicken the sauce. Here's 1 cup of water, so it's equal to 2 cups now, so that it can simmer. Submerged. The beef shanks is submerged good in the sauce, so it's so good. So when it simmers, it's gonna cook well. Now the potatoes, we cut it in small cubes, like as if it's for the corned beef. So that this way it gets soft faster and easier. There you go. Okay, wait, where's the cover? Here we go. Now we let it simmer for 40 minutes, at least 40 minutes, so it get good and soft. Now here it is, 40 minutes later. Oh, look at the sauce, it's got thick, right? Oh yeah. Now this is so good. Yep. Wait, let's fix that. Okay, this is about it. It's about ready. Turn off the stove. Let me keep the phone and show you guys. Oh, look at the thick sauce. This is so good. Yep, dinner's gonna be awesome for me and my brother. It's gonna be really good. Yep, now let's off to the dining table. Let's go. Here it is. Oh, look at that. Let's check out the sauce, how thick it is. Ooh, look at that. That's gonna be so awesome with mashed potatoes, or in our case, rice. I actually had 2 cups of rice having this. This is so good. This is a must try. You guys will love this. Your family will love it. You gotta try it. It's really easy, so simple. You can actually use beef steak or even beef cubes, but beef shanks are really good for this. It's gonna be awesome. Yep. Look at that. Yeah. You can actually use other stuff, and you can click here for the ribeye steak that we did, and also here. Oh, look at this. You can actually use, like, let's say a ribeye steak, but then for the ribeye steak, I'd like it cooked with steak in itself. So beef shanks is perfect for this. Yeah. Yes, and thanks for watching, and subscribe so you can check out all the other good stuff here. All right. Yep.